Imagine finding a coin in your pocket change that looks ordinary at first glance, but upon closer inspection, it turns out to be worth not just a few dollars, not just a few hundred, but as much as $75,000. That's right. One single coin that most people overlook could secretly hold a value that rivals the price of a luxury car or even a down payment on a house. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of the 1999 P-era Susan B. Anthony dollar, one of the rarest and most valuable modern American coins. And I promise you, by the end of this story, you'll never look at your pocket change the same way again. So stick with me, because what you're about to learn could change the way you see coins forever. Let's set the stage. The Susan B. Anthony dollar, first minted in 1979, was America's first small-sized dollar coin. Up until then, dollar coins were large and heavy, like the Eisenhower dollar that preceded it. The U.S. Mint thought a smaller coin would be easier to carry, more convenient for everyday transactions, and more widely accepted. They chose Susan B. Anthony as the figure to honor a bold move, since she was the first real woman, not just a symbolic figure like Lady Liberty, to ever appear on U.S. circulating coinage. But here's the problem. The coin was so similar in size and color to the quarter that people confused the two constantly. Cashiers, vending machines, and everyday Americans just didn't want to deal with it. By 1981, the mint stopped producing them for circulation. Fast forward to 1999, the U.S. was preparing to release the brand new Sacagawea golden dollar in the year 2000, and the Treasury needed a quick solution to a coin shortage for vending machines, transit systems, and commerce. So, in a surprise move, the mint revived the Susan B. Anthony dollar for one last hurrah. That makes 1999 a very special year, because it was the final time these coins were ever struck for circulation. Now here's where things get really fascinating. Most 1999 P Susan B. Anthony dollars are common. Millions were minted, and you can find them today for just a couple of dollars. But a tiny fraction of them carry minting mistakes, rare errors that turn a simple dollar into a coin worth tens of thousands. And it's these rare error coins, the kind collectors dream about, that can skyrocket in value to $45,000, $58,000, and in some cases, even $75,000. Let's talk about how these errors happen. You see, minting a coin is a complicated process. It involves preparing blanks, striking them under high pressure, and ensuring perfect alignment, but machines aren't perfect. Sometimes, a blank intended for one coin type ends up in the wrong press. Other times, dies are misaligned, double-struck, or improperly prepared. In 1999, at the very moment when the mint was preparing to shift from the Susan B. Anthony dollar to the new Sacagawea dollar, a series of unusual mistakes occurred, and those are what produced the rarest Anthony dollars. One of the most famous and valuable errors is the wrong planchette strike. Imagine this, a blank piece of metal meant for another coin. Say, a Sacagawea dollar, or even a foreign coin, accidentally gets fed into the press. Instead of the proper Anthony dollar blank, the wrong metal is struck with the Susan B. Anthony design. The result is a coin that shouldn't exist. It carries the wrong weight, the wrong color, and sometimes even the wrong edge. Collectors go wild for these because they are literal accidents frozen in time, never intended for release, and extremely scarce. Another highly valuable error is the double strike. In these cases, the coin wasn't ejected properly after being struck the first time. Instead, it was struck again, either perfectly aligned or slightly off. If off, you see two overlapping images of Susan B. Anthony, or doubled text around the rim. These are dramatic errors, immediately noticeable, and worth a fortune to the right collector. Then there are off-center strikes, where the coin design is visibly shifted to one side, leaving a large blank crescent of metal on the other. The more dramatic the off-center, the more valuable it becomes, especially if the date is still visible. An off-center 1999 Anthony dollar with clear detail can easily climb into the tens of thousands. But perhaps the most exciting of all is the transitional error. In 1999, with the mint switching over to Sacagawea production, it's believed that a few Sacagawea blanks were accidentally struck with the Anthony design. This creates one of the ultimate rarities, a coin that's literally a hybrid between two different eras of U.S. coinage. Transitional errors are the crown jewels of numismatics, and when one appears, it can command $58,000 or even $75,000 at auction. Let me paint a picture of what it feels like when one of these coins shows up at an auction. The room grows silent as the lot is introduced. Collectors, dealers, and investors all sit forward in their seats. The bidding starts strong: $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. Hands shoot up, phone bidders jump in, and the numbers climb higher and higher. At $45,000, the tension is palpable. At $58,000, the air is electric. And when the hammer finally falls at $75,000, the room erupts in applause. That's the power of the 1999 era Susan B. Anthony dollar. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Because the 1999 Anthony dollar was produced in relatively low numbers compared to earlier years, and because it was the very last year of issue, even regular, high-grade examples are collectible. A pristine, uncirculated 1999p or 1999D Anthony dollar graded MS67 or higher can sell for several $100s. But when you add in an error, especially a dramatic one, that's when you leap from hundreds into tens of thousands. So how do you know if you have one? The first step is to check your pocket change, old coin jars, or inherited collections. Look carefully at any 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollar. Check the date, make sure it's really 1999, because that's the key year. Then look for unusual features. Is the design off-center? Does it appear doubled? Does the metal look golden like a Sacagawea instead of silver-colored like it should? Is the edge plain when it should be reeded? Any of these could be signs you're holding one of the rarest error coins in existence. Of course, if you think you've got something special, the next step is professional grading. Organizations like PCGS and NGC are the gold standard for authenticating and grading coins. A certified error coin carries far more value and credibility than one sold raw. In fact, many of the record-breaking sales you hear about, those $45,000 to $75,000 prices, are coins that have been graded and encapsulated by a trusted service. Let's dive a little deeper into specific sales records. A known double-struck 1999 Anthony dollar sold at auction for over $15,000. An off-metal transitional strike brought more than $40,000. And the rarest transitional examples, struck on experimental Sacagawea blankets, have crossed the jaw-dropping $58,000 to $75,000 range. These aren't theoretical values, these are real-world results, achieved in front of crowds of eager collectors with wallets wide. And here's the thing, coins like this don't just attract coin collectors. They attract investors, treasure hunters, even everyday people who suddenly realize that something sitting in their dresser drawer is worth more than they ever dreamed. That's why the 1999 Pierre Susan B. Anthony dollar has such a magnetic appeal. It's the combination of rarity, history, and the thrill of the hunt. Think about it. This coin represents the end of one era and the beginning of another. It's the final breath of the much-maligned Anthony dollar, struck just as the Sacagawea was waiting in the wings. And yet, in that tiny sliver of history, mistakes were made, mistakes that created treasures. Mistakes that now command life-changing sums of money. Now, I want you to picture this, somewhere out there, sitting unnoticed in a collection, or tucked into an old bankroll, could be another one of these errors waiting to be discovered. And it could be you who finds it. Maybe it's a coin that looks slightly odd, one you almost overlook. Maybe it's a golden-toned Anthony that doesn't match the others. Maybe it's an off-center strike hiding in plain sight. That's the beauty of coin collecting, you never know when lightning might strike. So the next time you come across a 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollar, don't dismiss it. Don't toss it back into circulation or let it gather dust. Take a moment, examine it closely. Because while most are worth just $1 or $2, a select few are worth a small fortune. And if you're lucky enough to find one of those legendary error coins, you could be holding a ticket to $45,000, $58,000, or even $75,000. And that, my friends, is the magic of the 1999 era Susan B. Anthony dollar. A coin born in haste, struck in transition, overlooked by many, but now recognized as one of the rarest and most valuable modern coins in existence. Keep your eyes open, because treasures are out there, and sometimes they're hiding in the most ordinary of places.